Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this coiled keyboard cord from GUNMJO is so awesome.
If you're looking for performance and aesthetics, then you are going to be in love with this coiled cord. I absolutely love this gold and black, and I think it really is going to complement the future of my setup here. I have been doing a little bit of all white, but I am a black girly at heart, and I love how good this looks. And the performance is a top notch. I love that it comes with everything that you need to just plug in and go and keep your cables managed. And I was able to game all night long without worrying about my keyboard dying because of this awesome cable.
If you want to take your gaming setup to another level, then you're going to want to get this coiled keyboard cord from GUNMJO. They have made such an incredible product, and you are absolutely going to love it. And that's my point of view.